I think probably the way that we mentor people here is working with our seasoned veterans and working side by side with myself. Like I said, I'm out there in the trenches every day, turning wrenches, I'm welding, I'm painting axles, I'm helping set up gears, mounting and balancing tires. I'm not just, I don't just own the place, I'm out there working side by side with everybody. So mentoring probably goes more hands-on than actual sitting down and feeding somebody a book or something like that.